Is you making love to the fucking? It ain't never that good. Can I get a bite? Cause they made mine wrong. Please, please. Can I get some? Please. I'm gonna beat your ass. You fucking hoe. Oh my god, I'm here.
Oh my god.
Asha.
Ooh.
Is you cool?
Stay down me, stay down me. I'm going over with you. Look at me high, baby. I feel like I'm floating to the moon. I don't win on the skies, baby. I won't show you shit but the truth. Multiply and divide, baby. I'ma subtract it all of you.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? We back here with another banger for y'all today. Look, in today's banger, I'm gonna be pranking Veah, and I'm gonna be making love to the food while eating it. You feel me? I'm gonna be making love sounds while I'm eating my food. You feel me? So she gonna be like, what the fuck wrong with you? You feel me? She gonna be like, boy, your ass tripping, boy. So you're gonna enjoy it. And when you do enjoy it, click off like, comment, and subscribe, because we truly appreciate it. We about to jump right into it.
I just got off work. I feel better. It's still beautiful outside. Cause daylight savings came around or whatever. Now we about to get some Jersey Mike's. Y'all clowned me the last time. Y'all clowned both of us the last time we had Jersey Mike's.
Right. Right.
It's cool though. Cause I'm about to do it 10 times more. I'm about to irritate y'all 10 times more. Do something. How you feeling today?
I'm about to get my nigga sandwich.
You about to get what?
Yeah.
What's that
the
mean?
Black Boy Special.
Whoa. What?
Come on.
Okay. Oh my god. Wow.
Y'all know.
They sandwiches be so big. Like if you get a regular, it'll be a fucking giant. So I think I'm gonna get a mini instead of a regular. Cause I don't plan on eating this all day. And I usually get the Mike's way with lettuce, tomatoes, spices, juices, everything. He gets buffalo chicken sandwich every time. So I'm gonna show y'all. Mama just keep y'all on while I order my stuff so y'all can try it too.
Okay.
Gotcha. What are you getting? The same thing, buffalo chicken?
Hell yeah. I'm about to get the number 44. Look, man, if y'all don't know what the number 44 is, buffalo chicken cheesesteak, lettuce, tomato. I'm taking the tomato off. I'm taking the blue cheese off. Add ranch. Add ranch. It go crazy every time.
Mini, spicy Italian chicken. You can only do regular?
Yeah, I'm a hot one.
Okay, let's do regular. No pepperoni though. And then Mike's way. I'll set them up. Well,
I just made that here.
oh, so banana peppers,
Gotcha.
lettuce, onion, that comes on there. And then the red pepper relish.
I get the number 44 with no tomato, no blue cheese, add ranch. And then let me get rosemary for the bread. And then let me get regular sauce.
I'll do rosemary bread too.
Yeah. Hello?
Why in the freak did I forget my coupons? I usually be writing my coupons. Oh, almost fell. Got to go to my coupon. This stuff about to be so good. So I got the spicy Italian chicken breast, Mike's way, extra banana peppers. Yeah, try it. It's good. It's new on the menu. I always try new things. They done did it again.
this one smell like yours.
What if it's yours? Oh yeah, this is mine.
Do it. Y'all know me. If y'all what?
No, he didn't.
Either way. If y'all know me, you know, y'all know I love this motherfucking buffalo chicken cheesesteak. You are listen, buffalo chicken cheesesteak, right? No blue cheese.
I'm about to fucking crash out. I asked this bitch for banana peppers and he puts none on here.
Go get a couple of banana peppers.
Are you fucking retarded, bro? Like, I don't even want, he didn't even put my red relish on there.
Go get a couple of red relish.
But did you, I want to know if we pay extra for that. The fuck? Oh.
I'm not gonna lie, why my shit cold, B? Yo, look, why the fuck, yo, I ain't trying to be like that, but yo, why the fuck my bread cold, yo? I oughta smack the shit out of one of you niggas, yo. But you need to hurry up. Back. Watch this, y'all. Watch this.
I don't even want this fucking shit. I'm gonna have to do this at home. Is you making love to the fucking? It ain't never that good. Can I get a bite? Cause they made mine wrong. Please, please. Can I get some? Please. When's the last time you ate? You sound like me when I be in the bed. Can I get a bite? Come on, buddy. Come on, let me eat your ass. Oh, sure. Wait, I told you, what is
You don't like this though.
Oh no, it's actually good.
No, no. Wait, to bite the bottom. There you go. I don't like the bottom.
That was all lettuce.
I know.
You fucking hoe. Oh my god, what's here?
Oh my god.
Oh, sure.
Ooh.
Is you cool? They gave me my stuff, y'all. They fucked me up, though. They fucked me over. How the fuck y'all gonna make my sandwich without the...
Oh. No shit.
Is you...
Oh my
for real.
god.
For real. You can't even chew with all that food in your mouth.
It's wet as fuck.
What? Is you making love? Y'all, they really did me dirtball. They made this up like I was a white person. Oh, caught that out in the video.
Smash it.
Damn. This shit don't even look appetizing. Let me show y'all this shit. me show y'all this. Man, look at that shit.
He needs some milk.
Like, is that cool? I mean, like, honestly, I'ma still put my stuff on there, and I'm gonna be grateful. But come on now, y'all make this shit in my face. It's time.
Jersey Mike's, y'all need to sponsor me, y'all. Look.
No, y'all need to make my sandwich right.
I will eat there every day. You feel me? Hot sauce sandwich, just for the niggas.
Do y'all like banana peppers? I love them. Where it go? Whoa. Whoa.
You know, I gotta put this motherfucker on the move. Go ahead, put your shit on there.
Okay.
Put your shit on there.
I'm gonna just wait. Cause they fucked me over.
They fucked you over?
They fucked me over real bad.
Ooh, that sandwich is good as fuck. God. Ooh, shit.
Was it that good? You had to make love?
I still taste it. Ooh.
Oh no.
Pick it up.
It's a cultural divide.
It's giving like.
Hold on, wait.
It's giving me flashbacks.
It's giving you flashbacks to what?
It's giving me flashbacks, like.
I got stuff everywhere. It's giving you flashbacks to what? What?
Motherfucking sandwich was so wet. Saucy.
What? Look at this.
Dripping on my fingers and shit.
Whoa. That's wow. What you trying to say?
Motherfucking
was the sandwich? It was better than me?
A little bit.
Oh! What? You know what? It's cool.
I had the ranch with the hot sauce.
It's cool. I don't give a fuck.
Look, baby. You ain't gotta give a fuck.
Listen here, Jersey Mike's.
Might as well
if
call
y'all
me
making
Mike.
my man fall in love and making my sandwich wrong, oh, we got a problem. Calling corporate.
Call my corporate, call my phone.
No.
Let's get a deal going.
No. Try it.
Let's get a sponsorship going.
Try it.
Feel me?
Try it. I want you to. The way you was making love to that sandwich was a little crazy. It's okay. I'm gonna make love to my sandwich like that.
Look.
What?
Everything but the sandwich was a prank. You feel me? It was a prank. Making love sounds to that motherfucking food. Moaning to that food. Eating that food.
I was wondering, cause like,
yeah,
you ain't never did that with my food. I ain't never made no food like that, huh?
No, you ain't never made no Alfredo that made me go like,
nigga, yes, I quit playing with me. Yes, I have. You like my food. Don't do me like that.
I love your food.
But the way you was
I love your food, but guess what though?
What?
Get back. Word is mouth. Get back. Get back for real.
How about you just sit back?
Hey y'all, tell them y'all, we get back gang, not sit back gang. No nigga, you better listen.
It's cool.
Nah nigga, you better listen.
It's cool.
You better listen. I'm doubling back, you heard? You know I ain't playing no fucking games.
It's cool. Cause when I come, I'm coming hard. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Whoa.
Nah, man. Subscribe to this channel and comment Team SB in a motherfucking comment section, because y'all know we ain't dropping nothing but heat.
Don't do that.
Tell her Team Veah losing. Loser. Like, comment, and subscribe, and keep tuning the fuck in.
Man!